I'm Bharti. Welcome to the Edu Bulletin. Let's dive into today's educational news. CBSE OSM row reaches Parliament. Standing Committee summons Education Secretary, CBSE Chairperson and CERT in officials to examine Class 12 on-screen marking complaints, evaluation discrepancies, portal glitches and post-result verification issues, with student representatives also invited to present concerns. CBSE re-evaluation portal goes live after 4-day delay. Board releases step-by-step tutorial video for verification and re-evaluation process, but students report login errors and frozen screens soon after launch, raising fresh concerns over answer sheet review and college admissions. CBSE opens Class 12 verification and re-evaluation portal till 6 June. Students with Scan Answer books can apply online using Aadhaar-based login for resolution of evaluation issues such as missing or blurred pages and for question-wise re-evaluation, with fees of 100 rupee per answer book and 25 rupee per question. KL International School merit student Vivan Agrawal, who secured All India Rank 3 in the CBSE Class 10 Board Examination 2025-26, has been honoured by the Uttar Pradesh government at a state-level felicitation ceremony in Lucknow. Recognizing his outstanding academic achievement, the state government presented him with a cash award of 1 lakh rupees, along with a medal, certificate and tablet. Uttar Pradesh CM appreciated students who brought laurels to their schools through outstanding examination results and encouraged them to continue striving for excellence. Supreme Court declines plea to conduct NEET UG 2026 retest in computer-based mode, citing practical challenges in changing the exam format at this stage. NTA to hold 21st June re-examination in pen and paper mode with enhanced security measures. The agency has informed the court that NEET UG will shift to computer-based testing from the next examination cycle. United Doctors Front urges Parliament panel to dissolve NTA and create statutory national exam body, seeks comprehensive probe into NEET UG 2026 paper leak, pending NEET UG 2024 issues, and greater transparency, accountability and security in high-stakes examinations. CBSE OSM controversy leaves some JEE advanced qualifiers below Class 12 eligibility threshold. IIT Roorkee says all qualified candidates should register for Joint Seat Allocation Authority 2026 counselling, with final admission subject to revised board marks. Thanks for watching. For all the latest updates, stay tuned with the Edu Bulletin. Save the number 721-707-0100 and send "Hi" on WhatsApp to receive daily educational news and updates.